Introducing first, from Miami, Florida, weighing 275 pounds, the WWE Champion, The Rock.
What an athlete. A 27-year-old prodigy.
I'm telling you, it's good to be the king, but it's got to be great to be The Rock.
The Rock is the #1 man in this business.
The Rock is the kind of man you want representing your organization, not some foul-mouthed guy like Stone Cold Steve Austin.
And introducing the challenger, from Victoria, Texas, weighing 252 pounds, Stone Cold Steve Austin.
And the Rattlesnake is ready. This crowd is jacked. And here we are at WrestleMania 15. Here we go. WWE title on the line. The Brahma Bull and the Rattlesnake. Hooking. Up here. This is a no disqualification match. It was made such by Mr. McMahon earlier tonight on Heat.
Oh, look at this place. It's filled with The Rock's millions and millions of fans.
20,276 have jam-packed this arena, and there's no telling where this one's going to end up with a WWE title on the line.
Well, we know one thing. Mankind won his Boiler Room Brawl match against The Big Show. But in the process, he was hurt so badly that he had to...
The Rock and Stone Cold go at it at WrestleMania with the sport's top prize at stake.
The People's Champion walked into WrestleMania as the WWE Champ. But will he walk out as champ? That's the question, JR. He's putting those educated feet to good use. Oh, not again.
Stone Cold delivering more damage to The Rock. If there is any one superstar that seems to have The Rock's number, it's the Texas Rattlesnake.
JR, is it safe to say that these guys just don't like each other?
Absolutely. What a rivalry. What competition.
Look out here. Oh, Austin. Oh, my God. Austin's leg.
Austin's leg. That heavily braced right knee.
That did it.
Right across that steel support, holding the lights there. And Austin may be hurt badly.
Oh, yeah.
The Rock hasn't wasted any time, King.
Whoa. Oh, my God. Look out. Austin, no. A perfect Stone Cold Stunner. That's it. It's over. Uh-oh.
And The Rock's taking a little water break here.
Oh!
Total lack of respect shown by the champion.
The Rock can do any damn thing he wants to, JR.
And The Rock gets elevated and dropped. The Rock on the announce table.
Oh, my God!
The rattlesnake and, oh my God! Oh my God! They annihilate the announce table!
An elbow to the heart by Austin. Good God Almighty. This is a war. This is a war for the WWE Championship. And the carnage is indescribable here on the outside.
Oh, go ahead and say it, JR. It's a slobber knocker.
It damn sure is a slobber knocker.
Oh, he's got his opponent. What's he going for here?
How in the world did he counter that? And here we go. Back into the ring. A shot to the gut. A shot to the gut.
And he gets leveled.
Seen that one before.
Whoa! Oh my God! Look out! Uh-oh. What Stone Cold? There it is! The Stone Cold Stunner! There's the cover. I think he's... No!
What is keeping him going?
The Rock kick down to the stunner. And Austin is in shock.
Look at this. Here comes Mr. McMahon.
Hey, Austin. Hey, you.
Oh, and look. Austin tells him he's number one.
Oh, a low blow. A low blow by The Rock. McMahon distracted Austin. McMahon just hit the referee. Hey, look. But wait a minute. My God. There's Mankind.
Oh, no, look out.
Mankind just nailed Mr. McMahon.
You can't hit him.
Mankind apparently is going to be the referee.
Somebody hit Mankind, quick. Oh, where's Mr. McMahon?
He's laid out somewhere in front of us. Stone Cold reversed it. He was in a must-counter situation, and he did it.
Great reversal by Steve Austin. He missed. Oh, wait, nice reversal. Stone Cold looks like he's starting to get fired up. Look at this. He's just barely moving. I'm not sure he can get back to his feet. Oh, look at the emotion. He's got him. Big power bomb. Hey, he's going for it again. Good grief. Uh-oh. He's in position, ready to strike. Austin, no! We got a cover.
2, 3. He's done it. He's done it. I can't believe it. He's finally done it.
Here is your winner and new WWE Champion, Stone Cold Steve Austin.
Austin wins. Austin wins. Austin wins. The rattlesnake rules again, and Mr. McMahon is distraught. It is Vince McMahon's saddest day.
We need to help Mr. McMahon. Oh my gosh, this is awful. He's hurt. Come on, JR, he's hurt.
Stone Cold overcame the odds and is standing tall at WrestleMania.
This is going to go down as the darkest day in the history of the WWE.